Hey folks, good morning. It's Swaminathan Friday morning, and we are looking at a Netflix trade that I've been doing all week on the TraderMAX. This was the TraderMAX account. As you recall, this started at 50K this Monday, and right now you can see today itself it's up 12,300. We are up to almost 67K. Obviously, this is a very phenomenal performance. Let me just give a brief background on this trade because Netflix, as you know, this morning is in talks with China to provide some couple of TV channels there, the big channels, including a Jack Ma, Alibaba guy, including one of his subsidiaries. And so Netflix is up big, but of course, who could have known that, right? So that element is luck. However, the position was positioned from about 2 3 days ago, and it was positioned to take advantage of a bullish move. And you can see, and of course, these are not just speculative long options. I had a short as well. You can see today that short was down $50,000. But of course, all the other stuff is up, and so by strategically placing a bullish trade, and if a move happens, now of course, no one's denying that that there was an element of luck to this trade. Absolutely, there was, but luck always favors the prepared, and this is one of those cases where it's turned out into a big trade. It would have been a small profit maker anyway. I think it would have been about maybe 2,000, 3,000, but this became a very, very big trade today. And so what we are looking at is, I had to close out some short positions at very, very high, losses. But the trick is, how do you do that? So here we are. Where do I buy some of these? Bought, oh, these are the spreads. Yeah, 30 spread. If you check out, there's a bunch of stuff there, which really, I mean, it should tell you that when a big move like this happens, what it really comes down to is can you manage it? Can you emotionally manage it? And that is the key, because whether it's a big move down or a big move up, whether you're seeing a lot of red or a lot of green, how you manage your position at that time and milk out the maximum that you can is critical. And so that's exactly what it's all about. You can see, I was in the morning when I woke up, I was like, holy cow, what is going on? And so I knew there was going to be a lot of stuff on this position today. And you can see one position was down $50,000. So, this was obviously, there was a spread there, and it went deep into the money. And, it was a short option, and I had to buy it back. And, so that cost it. But of course, it's going to go in as a spread. So you don't really have to shell out the $50,000. So anyway, this is, the kind of stuff that you're going to learn when sudden jerky moves happen in the market. How can you best come out of it? That is really the goal of TraderMAX. I'm not showing this to brag or anything, but we will see some lucky trades like this, and you'll benefit from that. But more importantly, when the morning starts off with, at least with the stocks that you're carrying overnight, if the morning starts off with a big move either way, then what do you do? How do you manage it? And that's really the key takeaway from this video, and it should be the biggest benefit that you'll get from TraderMAX. Thanks.